Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Qulzam Zahid, and today the topic of our research paper that I am going to present is a survey on cloud gaming, future of computer games. Our team members include, first of all, me as well, Qulzam Zahid, Muhammad Sheharyar Kamran, Wajid Ali, Muhammad Usman Ahmad, and Sara Arshad. So the contents that I am including in my presentation is first of all introduction, second cloud gaming overview, third cloud gaming platforms, fourth optimizing cloud gaming platforms, fifth commercial cloud gaming services, and at the last conclusion. So first of all introduction gaming. I'm not talking about simple gaming, I'm talking about cloud gaming. A cloud gaming is a modern way to provide players with a high quality gameplay experience at any time and from any place. Means that they can play their game, people can play games at any place at any time 24 hours. For example, like if a person is living in Pakistan and he wants to play the game, he don't have any game in his mobile, he can play on a cloud gaming server, on a cloud gaming platform, at any website of cloud gaming. He can access that website at any time, at any place. For example, like if the servers are in USA and he's sitting in Pakistan, no need to download the game, install the plan. He can play the game through that cloud gaming website or at any or at any platform. And these advanced gaming softwares of cloud gaming operates on strong servers in big data centers. So what happened? Basically, these predicted game scenes are broadcasted to players in real time over the internet. Yes, they have to play the game. People, if want to use cloud gaming, they have to play the game on the internet. Yes, the internet must be used. And how this happened, that the players, that people who play the game connect with games using flexible softwares running on a variety of computers in the data centers. And now I'm going to represent a diagram that includes the workings of cloud gaming system, that how they work. And these cloud gaming network is based on cloud servers in one or more data centers in the cloud. And these computer gaming systems are operated by the cloud gaming systems. Now I would like to represent this diagram that includes the workings of cloud gaming systems and how these cloud gaming systems operated, how they work. The cloud gameplay system operates computer game systems which are split between two main modules. First of all, game logic. What game logic do? Game logic which converts players' instructions into game actions. And second, scene render. What scene render do? This creates real-time gameplay experiences. Second one, command interpreter. Command interpreter provides the gamer instructions and the video capture converts the game scenes into videos, which are then encoded either by the video encoder. So as seen in this diagram, that cloud gaming network transfers video frames to and accepts user feedback from thin clients using among players to play games. It's a thin client since it only needs two moderate components, a command receiver that attaches to game consoles like gamepad, joysticks, keyboards, and mouse, and a video recorder that can be realized using mass-produced, basically the cheap decoder chips. The cloud gaming network communicates with thin clients more than a highest quality internet connection, which makes helping real-time video games difficult.
Cloud gaming overview. Cloud gaming overview. Basically, the creator describes gaming as a cloud computing's killer app, uh, and even depicts the blueprint of the novel gaming transport paradigm proposed through advanced micro devices. So, now, what are advanced micro devices? Basically, the Advanced Micro Devices or AMD is a company that specializes uh, in manufacturing of semiconductor devices used in computer processing. The company also produces flash memories, graphic processors, motherboards, chips, sets, and a variety of components that are used in consumer electronic goods. Uh, Renders video games scenes, compresses them, and transmits them to the game enthusiasts via the internet. Uh, as a promising cloud carrier provisioning paradigm, cloud gaming has attracted hobbies from distinguished studies grouped all around the world. Or we can say is, or we can say that cloud gaming uh, is now in this era or in the 20th century has now become the hobby is now becoming uh, hobby of many newly born gamers as it has attracted uh, many people around the world. Uh, as said earlier, from distinguishing studies grouped all around the world, uh, as it is a promising cloud carrier in provisioning a paradigm. ROS is a primary literature that introduces the cloud gaming version to the academia in 2009, 9 years after the G/Cluster demonstration of the cloud gaming era at the E3. Cloud gaming allows player to run their games at anywhere at any time, which is one of the prior feature, which is one of the best feature that gamers demand, that they can run their game anywhere, anytime. Uh, Buying or renting the games upon demand, and which this feature of upgrading the devices on daily basis is uh, is not liked by many of the gamers around the world. So stopping this feature or stop having to upgrade their devices on daily basis is one of the best step that has been taken uh, in cloud gaming, that uh, increases the interest of the gamer in the games, and can gamer can now easily play a game uh, on daily basis. Taking the advantages of innovative features like switching between clients and machines through the game sessions is also one of the great features of cloud gaming. Uh, watching ongoing competitions and exchanging game playbacks with the mates is also is also a feature that increases the demand of cloud gaming, because watching ongoing competitions enhances the gamer's ability, and exchanging the games with exchanging game playback with mates uh, allows a kind of interaction with other gamers, so that the gamers can interact properly.
I'm going to represent cloud gaming platforms. And cloud gaming platforms can be divided into three parts. Number one is integrated cloud gaming platform for prototype system. Number two is measurement studies, quality of service matrices. Number three is measurement studies on quality of experience evaluation matrices. Number on further discussion, a system integration. In system integration, cloud gaming platforms are heterogeneous in nature. Some of them optimize performance at the expense which additional development complexity, code augmentation, and recompilation are called non-transparent platforms. Modern servers are GPUs and hyper virtual machines which were used to enable remote application and cloud games. Number second point is quality of service evaluation. Performing quality of service measurement is crucial for quantifying the performance of the cloud gaming platforms. So in real time, allowed to dynamically optimize the cloud gaming platforms. It can be further categorized into two classes. Number one is energy consumption. In energy consumption, games push computing platforms to maximize capacity. Mobile devices greatly reduce running time if softwares for mobiles. Cloud gaming system provide potential as 3D rendering. Cloud game softwares save 12% and 38% energy depending on type. As per this research, frame rate impacts on decoder energy consumption. Number second class is network matrices. In network matrices, multimedia application users highly depend on conditions, lower network quality, including the higher packet loss rate, insufficient bandwidth will impose negative impact on both. Measurement work rendering with virtualized CPU achieves better performance than direct pass-through ones. Cloud gaming introduces additional latency to game programs, which is approximately 85 to 800% higher than local execution. And the third point is quality of experience evaluations. In quality of experience evaluation, cloud gaming can be categorized into two classes: general cloud gaming evaluations and mobile cloud gaming evaluations. They observe complex interplays among quality of quality of experience evaluation matrices. Quality of experience services matrices, testbed setup, and software implementation. Some other quality of experience evaluation study focus on the response delay, which is probably the most crucial performance metric in cloud gaming, where server may be geographically far from the client. Server जो है वो geographically far होता है client से. Moreover, graphics more smoother quality are significantly affected by bit rate and frame rate, network latency, while the control quantity determined by the client types, mobile or desktop.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Usman Ahmad, and today I am here to present the topic on optimizing cloud gaming platform. So, optimizing cloud gaming platform. The platform of cloud gaming are categorized into two classes. The number one is cloud server infrastructure, and the second one is communication. So, what is cloud server infrastructure? The cloud server infrastructure are required to sustainable and high quality robust services to cope with the demand of massive number of users. They can be optimized by allocating the resources among the servers and creating the innovative distributed structures. इसमें हमारे पास सस्टेनेबल का मतलब ये है, सस्टेनेबिलिटी से हमारा मतलब ये होता है कि जो चीज़ ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ हो जो हमारी नीड्स को फुलफिल करे। और रोबस्ट का मीनिंग हमारे पास इस तरह से हम लेते हैं कि कोई ऐसा कनेक्शन हमारे पास हो या कोई ऐसी चीज़ हो जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं इजीली ब्रेक ना कर सकें। तो इसके अंदर इसने ये बताया है कि क्लाउड सर्वर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में हमारे पास इस तरह की क्वालिटीज़ हाई क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, सस्टेनेबिलिटी होती है और रोबस्ट सर्विसेज हमारे पास होंगी जो कि हमें चाहिए होती हैं एक हमारे मैसिव नंबर ऑफ यूज़र्स को क्या कहते हैं रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं हमारे मैसिव नंबर ऑफ यूज़र्स को हैंडल करने के लिए। Next step is cloud computing infrastructure in the collection of hardware and software element needed to enable cloud computing. इसके अंदर हमारे पास ये होता है क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास कलेक्शन ऑफ हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर एलिमेंट्स होते हैं। हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास डिफरेंट हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास कंबाइन होकर हमारे पास क्लाउड गेमिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डिज़ाइन करते हैं। It includes computing power, networking, and storage, as well as an interface for user to access their visualized resources. Next one is communication. The robustness and the effectiveness of communication channel between the clients and the servers of these cloud gaming platform are very important. अगेन हमारे पास रोबस्टनेस का हम वही कॉन्सेप्ट लेंगे कि ऐसा कनेक्शन जिसको हम इजीली ब्रेक ना कर सकें, ऐसी चीज़ हमारे पास जो हम इजीली ब्रेक ना कर सकें। क्लाउड आपको हमें पता है कि इसके अंदर हमारे पास रोबस्टनेस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। और इफेक्टिवनेस का तो हमें पता ही है कि जो चीज़ हमारे लिए इफेक्टिव हो, जो हमारे जो हमें इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट्स प्रोवाइड करे। नेक्स्ट वन, जो हमारे पास कम्युनिकेशन होती है उसको हम दो चीज़ों में डिवाइड करते हैं। दो चीज़ें इसमें आती हैं, हमारे पास डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम आता है, और फर्स्ट वन डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम और सेकंड वन हमारे पास ट्रांसमिशन एडप्शन एल्गोरिथम है। इसमें हमारे पास जो डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम होता है उसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, जो हमारी नेटवर्क ट्रैफिकिंग है उसको मिनिमाइज करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। ये फर्स्ट वन है, और इसके बाद हमारे पास सेकंड वन है ट्रांसमिशन एडप्शन एल्गोरिथम। ट्रांसमिशन एडप्शन एल्गोरिथम में हम अपने नेटवर्क डायनेमिक्स को हैंडल करते हैं। सो डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम की हम देखते हैं। Data compression algorithm is a very useful technique that helps in reducing the size of text data and storing the same amount of data in relatively fewer bits, resulting in reducing the data storage space, resources, usage of transmission capacity. इसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, अपने पास जो हमारा टेक्स्ट का डाटा होता है उसको हम रिड्यूस कर लेते हैं डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम के थ्रू, जिससे हमारी जो स्टोरेज होती है वो भी कम लगती है, और हमारे पास रिसोर्स यूजेज ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन कैपेसिटी, मतलब कि अगर हमने कहीं पे स्टोर करना है तो उसके अंदर हमारी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी बहुत कम लगती है, अगर हम इसको कहते हैं कंप्रेस कर लें डाटा कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम के थ्रू। Second step is game scenes are compressed after being computed on the cloud servers and proper representation. This is being done by three schemes or data compression, namely video compression, graphic compression, and the hybrid compression. Actually, सर इसके अंदर हमारे पास ये सीन होता है कि मैंने इंटर्नशिप की थी, जब क्या कहते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर हाउस में, तो उधर हम यही इसी तरह करते थे कि जब हम एक पूरी गेम डेवलप कर लेते थे तो उसके बाद हम डिफरेंट सीन्स को उनके अंदर जाके उनको कंप्रेस करते थे ताकि उनका साइज कम हो, तो ओवरऑल हमारी जो गेम है उसके एमबीज कम हो जाए, ताकि जब एक यूज़र हमारी गेम को डाउनलोड करे तो उसके एमबी कम कम उसको शो हो, और मतलब कि हमें अपलोडिंग भी इजी हो, डाउनलोडिंग भी उसकी इजी हो, तो ये चीज़ सारी इसके अंदर आ जाती है। सेकंड हमारे पास हम ये देख लेते हैं वीडियो कंप्रेशन, ग्राफिक कंप्रेशन और हाइब्रिड कंप्रेशन में क्या डिफरेंस है। वीडियो कंप्रेशन में हमारे पास आता है, वीडियो कंप्रेशन हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं जिसके अंदर हम 2D वीडियोस को हम इनकोड कर सकते हैं टू पोस्ट रिटर्निंग ऑपरेशन ऑन क्लाइंट साइड। और ग्राफिक कंप्रेशन में हम क्या करते हैं, 2D टेक्सचर और 3D टेक्सचर को हम इनकोड करते हैं। और हाइब्रिड कंप्रेशन में हमारे पास इनकी बहुत दोनों की वीडियो कंप्रेशन और ग्राफिक कंप्रेशन दोनों की प्रॉपर्टीज शामिल होती हैं, जबकि वाइडली यूज प्लेटफॉर्म जो है वो हमारे पास वीडियो कंप्रेशन एल्गोरिथम है। Next one is transmission adaptation algorithm. The transmission adaptation algorithm is to serve the fluctuating provisioning in network services to provide the better quality of gaming to the users.
Myself, Wajid Ali. In early section, my group members discussed the technical problems regarding the business model of cloud gaming service. Now, I will briefly discuss the commercialization of cloud gaming service. First, we talk about the G cluster. G cluster starts building cloud gaming service in 2000. Particularly, G cluster launched a publicly live game streaming over Wi-Fi and commercially game on demand service in 2000. So G cluster tightly coupled with third-party companies. These companies are developers, game developer, network operator, and game portal. Due to rely on these company, quality of service of G cluster is very bad. Two companies that are Ujala and Zahid present the evolution of G-cluster business model and observe that number of G-cluster third-party company is reduced over the past year due to launch of G-cluster IPTV-based cloud gaming service. IPTV is the Internet Protocol Television. Now we talk about the OTT. What is the OTT? OTT is a service that launched in 2000 by three companies. These companies are OnLive, Gaikai, and GameNow. OTT is basically referred to delivering multimedia content over the internet and bypass the cables and TV channels. Satellite TV channels. On, on what is OnLive? OnLive is the company a famous cloud gaming service due to its investor Warner Bros. KTT and Ubisoft. OnLive provided a subscription-based service and hosted its servers in several states of US to control the latency in the US due to its geographical distances. OnLive ran into its financial crisis in 2012 and ceased operations in 2015 after selling their parents to Sony. Gaikai offered a cloud gaming service to allow gamers to try new games. If they like it, they can purchase it. Gaikai is more like an advertisement service for game developers to boost their sales. Gaikai was owned by Sony in 2012, which led new cloud gaming service from Sony, which is called PlayStation, as we all know, is a famous product of Sony company, and PlayStation adopts two charging models per game and monthly subscription. Now we'll talk about the classification of cloud gaming service. There are two types: integrated with underlying network, and other one is the OTT service. Now discuss the integrated with underlying network. Tighter, in, tighter integration provides better quality of service, which led to better user experience, low latency, less jitter. What is a jitter? Jitter is time delay on a network, less pocket data loss. The integrated other one is OTT service. OTT service is less expensive. It means it's cheap, but due to its cheapness, it is unstable and worse user experience. Talk about the charging model of cloud gaming service. There are three charging models: subscription per game and free to gamers. More specifically, cloud gaming users pay for services in the first two charging models, while third-party companies, which can be game developers or network operators, pay for services in the third charging model. Future of cloud gaming. In the future, there will be innovative ways to offer cloud gaming service to general public and commercially manner. We believe that we are on the edge of new era, whole new cloud gaming ecosystem, which will eventually lead to the next generation cloud gaming service.
And so now at the last conclusion. As a result, and as in my opinion, we think that we are now on the verge of a new age of quite a modern cloud gaming environment, which could ultimately lead towards the next generation cloud gaming system. Means that the next generation coming, it would be better for them to play cloud gaming on cloud gaming system, because this can save their space, and they can play any game on the internet, on through the internet in their real time, at any place, at any time, 24 hours, and they can play their games at any time. Anytime. For example, like if they are living in Pakistan and those cloud gaming servers are in USA, so they can access these games through wherever in the world. And the second thing, in addition, I would like to tell that technological advancement render competitive cloud gaming platform as it is a truth. And increasingly, optimization strategies increasingly make cloud gaming systems worthwhile. So thank you, everyone. I hope that you all understood the good topic that we presented to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.